Is your manufacturing operation still struggling with complex processes, compliance issues, and disconnected systems? It is time to turn complexity into efficiency with integrated, agile, and smart processes. Imagine a scenario where engineering, quality, and production working completely in sync, all inside one connected ecosystem. With SoftXpert Suite, this is possible. The platform connects every part of modern manufacturing, from quality to safety, from the shop floor to top management. It unifies processes in a cloud solution that is agile, complete, and scalable. Manage technical documents with version control and full traceability, ensuring secure and updated access across all production areas. Automate quality control from raw materials to the final product, meeting the requirements of ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 with confidence. Monitor processes in real time with dashboards that show critical indicators such as production downtime, quality costs, and environmental incidents. Identify risks, apply preventive actions, and reduce operational failures while protecting employees and ensuring production continuity. Track emissions and sustainability indicators to support ESG initiatives and reduce environmental impact. Carry out internal and external audits with full traceability, action plans, and guaranteed compliance. Manage required training and employee skills, supporting continuous improvement and safety in all factory environments. Move forward into Industry 4.0 with integration of legacy systems, ERPs, IoT, and artificial intelligence in a practical and scalable way. Take your manufacturing processes to the next level. Reduce rework, compliance failures, and operational risks. SoftXpert Suite, strengthen traceability and implement quality standards in an automated way on the path to production excellence.